A massive fire breaks out in a high-rise building, and conventional fire trucks are unable to reach the flames that are raging hundreds of feet in the air. In a situation like this, every second counts. What if there was a solution that could reach those flames, extinguish them swiftly, and even save lives before the fire spirals out of control? That's where unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, come in. A cutting-edge technological answer to one of the toughest challenges faced by modern firefighting. In today's video, we'll explore how drones are revolutionizing the way fires are fought, especially in places where traditional methods fall short. From high-rise buildings to remote areas, these UAVs are taking firefighting to new heights. Chapter 1: The Breakthrough in Firefighting. Our journey begins in Chongqing, where a recent demonstration revealed just how far drone technology has come. In this drill, an advanced firefighting UAV, designed by a civilian aviation company, was put to the test. With the ability to reach an altitude of 200 meters in just 30 seconds, this drone was engineered for rapid deployment in even the harshest conditions. It's designed specifically for environments where traditional firefighting equipment struggles, like the towering high-rises that are increasingly common in cities worldwide. This UAV isn't just a gadget. It represents a true breakthrough in how we apply modern manufacturing technology to save lives. In situations where fire trucks can't reach, drones like this one bring the fight to the fire, delivering water, fire-suppressing agents, and even rescue supplies to otherwise inaccessible areas. One company at the forefront of drone firefighting technology is Drone America, which has developed a UAV known as the aerial excavator. Unlike conventional fire trucks that are limited by roads and traffic, this drone can soar into action, carrying up to 1,000 gallons of water to douse flames from above. Equipped with thermal imaging cameras and modern sensors, it offers firefighters a real-time view of the situation, helping them strategize more efficiently. Imagine this: a fire is roaring on the top floors of a skyscraper. Instead of sending firefighters up perilous stairwells, the aerial excavator moves swiftly into place, using its sensors to find the source of the fire and extinguish it with precision. It's not just about speed, it's about safety, both for the firefighters and for the people trapped inside. Chapter 2. The idea is simple yet powerful: a semi-autonomous drone that can fly itself to the fire while human operators focus on controlling the firefighting process from afar. This isn't just futuristic, it's happening right now, with drones extinguishing fires in buildings as tall as 600 meters. By providing real-time data to firefighting teams, these drones make firefighting operations smarter, faster, and safer. In fact, they can even operate without human intervention, tackling fires that would otherwise put lives at risk. The future of firefighting is here. Drones have already begun to change the landscape of firefighting, and it's only the beginning. From high-rise rescues to precision firebombing, these UAVs are proving to be indispensable tools in situations where seconds mean the difference between life and death. So, the next time you see a fire truck racing down the street, imagine a world where drones arrive first, saving lives and property with incredible precision and speed. Could we be looking at the future of firefighting? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear: technology is taking us there faster than ever before. Thanks for watching, and until next time.